Okay, we've got a disco ball shaped like a sphere with a diameter of 16 inches. What is the surface area of the disco ball? So a sphere is actually a ball. It is not a circle, it's a ball. It's a round figure. So let's go with, and this will be on the, it'll be a drop down on the test. It'll show you all the formulas for shapes and surface area, perimeter, volume. What we need here is the surface area of a sphere, which is 4 pi r radius squared. So 4 times pi times radius squared. Our sphere, which is really a 3D, the diameter is 16. A radius is half of a diameter. So the diameter goes all the way across the circle. A radius is half. It goes to the center point. Since we know the diameter, we can figure out the radius. We just cut it in half. The radius is 8. So let's put these into, it's just arithmetic at this point. So let's go on. All right, we've got 4 times pi, which is 3.14, times radius, that's 8 squared. Now we're just going to punch it in. So 4 times 3.14 times 8. Hit the little exponent button here. See your superscript, the 2 arrow out, so it goes back to normal. Enter 803.84. 803.84. Then we look at our answers right there, because if we have 803.84, that rounds up to 804. So the surface area of a sphere is 804. Oops, let me do this one. All right, which expression represents the distance between the 2 points, X and Y? What they're asking you to do is figure out how to count the spaces in between X and Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 spaces between X and Y. So one of these has to equal 7. If we start with A, that's -4 minus 3, so that'd be going to the left, 1, 2, 3. That one would be -7. That is not what we're looking for. B, -4 plus 3 would be 1, 2, 3. That would be -1. That one's out. That one's out. Now, we only talked about this for a minute, but these straight lines mean absolute value. So as far as the test is concerned, this problem is 4 minus 3, because the negatives don't matter in absolute value. Absolute value wants to know the value of a number from 0. So whether it's 4 or -4, they are 4 spaces from 0. So this one is essentially 4 minus 3, which equals 1. We already know 7 spaces in between, so that doesn't work. And then we've got the absolute value, -4 plus 3. Well, we know that -4 is the same as 4. So this is 4 plus 3, which equals 7. Your answer is D.